Apply Super Spacer easily, precisely and flawlessly with the Super Spacer Shuttle. We'll show you how. Section 1. Unpack and place on the reel stand. Super Spacer, the flexible warm edge spacer. Open the box. And let's go. The Super Spacer comes on a reel packed in a cardboard box with a PET bag for reuse and in a sealed vacuum package. Open the vacuum package carefully at the welded seam so that it can also be reused. Do not dispose of the packaging material, but reuse it for storing the Super Spacer roll as airtight as possible. When unpacking a new reel, make sure the vacuum packaging is intact. If the packaging has been opened or damaged, you should measure the moisture preload with the Super Spacer desiccant test kit. To prevent the spacer from dirt or unnecessary environmental moisture, place the roll in the reel stand. Pass the spacer through the opening in the protective cover and close it with the hand wheel. On the right of the reel stand, you will see the liner stripper. Section 2. Removing the protective film with the liner stripper. This equipment automatically pulls off the clear liner during the application process. Insert the spacer, press the guide down, and pull the spacer through for about 50 centimeters. Pull the clear liner up to the guide rollers, roll it onto one of the black cones, and clip it with the movable holder. We are ready to apply the spacer using the shuttle. Section 3. Preparing the Super Spacer Shuttle. Put the glass on a turntable with a suction cup or an air float table. The glass must be absolutely clean and free of grease, especially around the edges. If the glass has a coating, we recommend decoating the edges. Take the shuttle in your right hand and open the wing screw on the front side. Now guide the spacer between the gun body and the faceplate. Use the pin with the pressure wheel to set the correct spacer width. As soon as the spacer overlaps the gun body by about 0.5 millimeter, tighten the wing screw. Before each application, make a starting cut. To do this, insert the spacer, hold it straight, and press and hold the aluminium lever and press the air valve at the same time. Thanks to the notch, the start-stop corner can be formed cleanly at the end of the application. Section 4. Using the Super Spacer Shuttle. The shuttle can only slide from right to left. For precise start position, refer to the yellow marks on the shuttle's gun body and faceplate. Use the yellow marks for tri-seal to achieve a 6 millimeter setback. Align the start cut with the right mark and the glass edge with the left mark. Now position the shuttle parallel on the glass and press the start of the spacer lightly onto the glass with your finger. During application, the left hand guides the spacer horizontally. Apply until the yellow mark on the faceplate and the edge of the glass meet. Hold the spacer straight. Press the compressed air valve without the aluminium lever to create the notch for the 90-degree angle. Move the shuttle slightly forward. About 2 centimeters of the gun body should remain on the glass. Lift the shuttle slightly at the front, turn it 90 degrees and place it on the next edge. Press the spacer on the glass without touching the butyl. When all sides are applied, lift the shuttle slightly at the starting point. The coloured mark of the faceplate is once again above the edge of the glass. Press and hold the aluminium lever and press the air valve at the same time. Cut off the spacer and remove the shuttle from the glass. Press both spacer ends together, form the corner, close the corner with the PIB strip, and the application is complete. Section 5. Assembling the insulating glass unit. Now clean and place the matching light of glass. Press on equally with your hands. Set the clamps at equal intervals and wait at least 10 minutes before removing them again. Make sure that you have a uniform and all-round contact pressure. The insulating glass unit is ready for gas filling. Section 6. Filling with gas. Before using the lances, please puncture them with the piercing tool and sleeve to keep the lances clean. The lances for the inflowing gas are placed in the lower corner and the lance for the suction of the air and the gas mixture in the upper corner, both about 5 centimeters from the edge of the glass. Push both filling lances through the spacer without force. Start the gas filling. Remove the filling lances one after the other and seal the puncture points with a PIB strip. Finally, apply secondary sealant, and you are finished. Section 7. Reset. The reel with super spacer must be stored as airtight as possible until the next use. Keep the original packaging for this purpose. Remove about 5 centimeters of the clear liner. Tape the spacer to the inside of the reel shell so that it does not unwind accidentally. Now, place the reel in the original vacuum package and the plastic bag and close it with cable ties. Then pack everything into the box and seal the box with tape. Please always store the box a hand's width from the wall and floor. Be sure to test stored and opened rolls for moisture preload with the desiccant test kit before reuse. Thank you for watching and see you next time. For any questions, please contact our technical service.